Hi friends, a very good morning to all of you. I'm Jyoti Singh and today I'm going to speak with you on how can we change our subconscious belief. My dear friends, we all have such a belief, but this belief we need to change if this is not empowering belief. Regarding belief, I will tell you there are two types of belief, empowering beliefs and disempowering belief. Empowering belief means, my dear friends, beliefs which are helping us to reach to our goal, beliefs which are motivating us, beliefs which are giving us, empowering us to achieve something in our life. Disempowering beliefs, on the other hand, my dear friend, disempowering beliefs are beliefs which demotivate us or which do not allow us to reach to our goal or which distract us or which break our focus and concentration. That is not a disempowering beliefs. But now I'm going to give the hacks. How can you change your how can you change your subconscious beliefs for achieving your goals? First and foremost thing, my dear friends, and that is that is repetition. Yes, you listen well. Repetition. Repetition means what? In a form, you can say that affirmation also, certain words or certain sentences which gives you tremendous power and which is your model sentence. Please recite it again and again. Okay. For example, if you talk to me, for me, if you talk to me, I'll say there are some songs which I like a lot. For example, that Shiv Tandav song. So whenever I get time, I listen Shiv Tandav or I listen Shri Paramahansa Yogananda Ji chants or I listen some of my favorite songs, okay, like Adi Yogi song which is sung at the place of Isha Foundation at the time of Mahashivratri, okay. So such songs are so much powerful for me and it gives me a lot of energy. Now it's up to you what is giving you energy. Another thing, my dear friends, so for understand repetition, you have to repeat it again and again, my dear friends, okay. And that's why in our culture, in our ancient time and even till now, there is the philosophy of mantras. We should recite the mantras. A single mantra is given to us and we have to recite it 108 times, 1 mala, 2 mala, 3 mala, 5 mala. It's up to you how many malas you are doing it, okay. But some of the gurus say that do it from 2 to 3 malas, right? So another thing is that which is very much important, that is, my dear friends, one more way is there by which you can change your subconscious beliefs, and that is hypnotherapy, okay, or hypnosis. But I will say please don't go with that, because in hypnotherapy and hypnosis you will not be the owner of your mind. Somebody else will be owner of the mind, somebody else will govern your mind, and in a way you can feel like that person will hack your mind, okay. So I'm not in a favor of hypnosis, okay. I'm in a favor of self hypnosis, okay. So if you know the technique, how can you hypnotize yourself for getting subconscious beliefs, then it's okay and fine. But do not go with someone else who can hypnotize you and who can moderate you according to his own will and desire, okay. Another thing by which you can change your subconscious beliefs and subconscious mind by which you can get desired result, that is, my dear friends, emotional impact, emotional meaning, okay, you can say that. So just check your emotions. What emotions do you have? Do you have empowering emotions? Do you have the happiness, joy, resourcefulness inside you, or do you have unresourcefulness, unhappiness and sad, sorrow, anger, hatred, such type of feelings? If our emotions are negative, then remember, my dear friends, with negative emotions you will create negative state, and with negative state you will create negative mood, temper, groove, and you will be victim of a lot of mental disease and physical disease both, right? So neither you will be able to work better through your mind nor body, so ultimately you will not work through your soul also, okay. The next thing which is very much important, my dear friends, and that is, you know what, that is you can say that energy healing. Energy healing is also a very good thing, okay. You can energy healing you can give to yourself, or if there is any friend who gives healing, you can take healing from him, or you can design a meditation of energy healing, and just you energize your each and every body cells, your in your body. As you know that there are 60 billion neurons and 80 trillion cells, so just you recharge each and every body cells by which you can energize your whole body, mind and spirit all together, my dear friends. You can see in this 2021 I'm specially speaking in terms of mind, yes. So here I'll tell you, my dear friends, here you people have to watch my videos daily by which you can empower your mind, right? So One more thing, one more bonus hack I will give you. How can you recharge your subconscious beliefs? How can you change your subconscious beliefs? And my dear friends, that is something I'll say. If you have to change your subconscious beliefs, then the mindset. What is the interesting? The mindset. Mindset means, my dear friends, okay, you have to create a bulletproof mindset, an army mindset, okay, a commando level mindset by which if you decide something, then you have to do it. There should be nothing which can divert you, which can distract you from your path, okay. So just be ready to shoot, my dear friends, okay. Always be ready to shoot. I'm not saying amen shoot, I'm saying just be ready to shoot, okay. So this is all about in this video, my dear friends. Till next time, till next video, I will tell you, watch this video again, understand if you didn't understand something, okay. We'll meet you soon in next lecture. Thank you, bye bye, love you all.